Have you ever promised yourself that you would start learning English seriously, maybe on Monday, maybe next month, maybe when you feel more ready, but somehow that perfect time never arrives while your dream of speaking confidently feels further and further away? Be honest with yourself. How many days have you said, "I don't have enough time," yet spent hours scrolling through your phone, watching short videos, or doing things that will not change your future? This is the common struggle of so many young learners. They want big results, but they feel overwhelmed by the idea of studying for hours, memorizing long vocabulary lists, or understanding complicated grammar rules. Because it feels too big, they do nothing at all. But what if I told you that just 10 minutes a day's only 10 focused minutes can completely change your English forever? Let me tell you the story of a young lady named Liza, an ordinary girl with ordinary problems, but one extraordinary decision. Liza was shy and quiet in class. When her teacher asked her to read in English, her voice trembled. When her friends spoke confidently, she stayed silent. At home, she often told herself, "My English is bad," and that sentence became her identity. She believed that other students were simply smarter or more talented. She believed that fluency was something special people were born with. But one evening, after failing to answer a simple question in class, she sat on her bed and asked herself a powerful question. If I keep doing what I am doing now, where will my English be 1 year from today? The answer scared her. It would be the same, more worse. That night, instead of deciding to study for 3 hours, and changed her whole life overnight, she made a small promise: 10 minutes a day, no excuses. She started with Level 1 English stories, simple stories made for beginners. The sentences were short. The vocabulary was easy. At first, she understood only half of it. Sometimes she felt frustrated. Sometimes she wanted to quit, but she remembered something important. A small plant does not grow because you shout at it. It grows because you water it consistently. English, she realized, is the same. You don't need intensity. You need consistency. So every night before sleeping, she read one short story for 10 minutes. She listened to the audio and repeated the sentences softly. She wrote down 5 new words in a small notebook. That was it. 10 minutes. No more, no less. After 1 week, nothing dramatic happened. She was still shy. After 2 weeks, she started recognizing words faster. After 1 month, she noticed she could understand simple conversations without translating every word in her head. After 3 months, her teacher asked her a question and, this time, she answered, not perfectly, not fluently, but bravely. And that bravery changed everything. You see, most young learners fail not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack daily action. They wait for motivation, but motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like the weather. Discipline, however, is like the sun. It rises whether you feel like it or not. Liza stopped depending on how she felt. She treated her 10 minutes like brushing her teeth, non-negotiable. She realized that improving 1% every day may feel invisible, but 1% compounded over a year creates massive transformation. Think about this. If you improve just a little every single day for 365 days, how different will your English be? How different will your confidence be? How different will your life be? 10 minutes a day equals 70 minutes a week. That is more than 60 hours a year. 60 hours of focused English practice. Imagine what that can do. Liza began to think in simple English phrases during the day. She would look at objects and name them in English. She would describe her day in short sentences. She turned mistakes into lessons instead of proof that she was bad. She understood that fluency is not built in one dramatic moment. It is built in quiet, invisible repetition. Just like going to the gym, you do not see muscles after one workout, but after months of small effort, the transformation is undeniable. English is a muscle in your brain. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. The more stories you read, the more natural sentences feel. Stories are powerful because they connect words to emotions, and when you feel something, you remember it longer. That is why learning English through stories is so effective, especially for young learners. Instead of memorizing isolated vocabulary, you see words in action. You understand context. You imagine scenes. You connect meaning. And slowly, English stops being a subject, it becomes a language you live in. Liza's biggest breakthrough did not happen when she mastered grammar. It happened when she stopped being afraid of mistakes. She realized that every mistake was evidence that she was trying. And trying every day, even for 10 minutes, is what separates dreamers from achievers. So let me ask you, what is really stopping you? Is it truly lack of time, or is it lack of commitment? Can you honestly say you do not have 10 minutes in your entire day? What if those 10 minutes could open doors to scholarships, better jobs, international friendships, and confidence you never imagined? 1 year from now, you will be 1 year older no matter what. The only question is, will your English be 1 year better? Or will it be the same because you kept waiting? The choice is small, but the impact is massive. Start with one simple story today. Read it slowly. Listen carefully. Repeat after the speaker. Write 5 new words. Do it again tomorrow. Protect those 10 minutes like they are an investment in your future, because they are. Do not wait to feel ready. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for someone to push you. Push yourself. Liza was not special. She was not gifted. She was simply consistent. And consistency beats talent when talent does not work hard. Your journey will not be perfect. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel slow. But remember, slow progress is still progress. A turtle that keeps moving will always pass someone who never starts. 10 minutes a day may seem small, but small hinges open big doors. Your English will not change because you wish it to change. It will change because you decide daily to improve it. So right now, make the decision, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Commit to 10 minutes a day of learning English through simple stories. Imagine yourself 1 year from now speaking confidently, understanding clearly, and feeling proud of the discipline you built. That future version of you is waiting for today's decision. If you are serious about transforming your English step by step, story by story, day by day, then join this journey. Subscribe to this channel, commit to your 10-minute habit, and let's grow together. Because 10 minutes a day is not just practice, it is the beginning of a new identity, and your new English speaking life starts now.